Welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to update data in database using PHP. At first I will open my PHP project, which is this one. We are in index.php. Here is my DB connection and here I have my opening and closing tag of my body. Inside it I will write the code. And let me show you my database. Here is my database PHP tutorial. I am showing it in phpMyAdmin, and here I have one table, which is my table. My table has two columns. The first one is ID column, second one is user column. Here we will update this value codeayan using PHP. Okay, so let's begin. At first I need a input method where the user will specify that at which ID I need to change the value. So I will create a form. Yeah, here is my form. The form method will be obviously post method, and inside this form I will be adding two input fields. The first one will be, at first I will add the label. This will be showing that enter ID where you want to change the username. Okay, and I need input field. The input field type will be number because the ID is in numeric. Done. Now I need another input field where the user will enter the updated value. So the label enter value. Done. And input type will be text, no issues. Okay, and I need a name for it because in the post method when we will target it in PHP, I need a name for that. The name will be get ID, and here it will be get value. Okay, so I need to be a tag here to make it look good. Okay, and I need one more thing, a submit button. Sorry. To submit the form, the button type will be submit, and I need a name for it. The name will be submit button. Okay, so let's check our page on the browser. Okay, so here I have my page where the first label says that enter the ID, second one is enter the value, and what is this? Okay, done. Now let's check again. Yeah, and I need to submit here. Okay, so let's now write the PHP code. I will write it just below the form, starting and ending. Oops. Okay, so at first I need to give a condition that when the submit button is pressed, only then you get the value from the form and add it to the DB. Okay, so I will write if, I will add a if condition. Inside if is set post submit button. Done. Then I will be declaring two variables. First one is send ID, and second one will be send value. Okay, to send ID I need to get the value from the form and add it to the variable. So I will write underscore post and here I need to specify the input name, which is get id. Same for the second one, post, and it is get value. Okay, done. Now I need to write the SQL query. That is the main thing, which will add our value to the respective rows. SQL equal to update the table name, which is my table, set username equal to, the variable name is get send value, where id equal to what name is send id. Okay, and now I need to write the MySQL query function. It takes two arguments. First one is connection, okay, which is our db connection variable. Second one is the SQL query itself. Okay, done. Now let's check our page again if I have made some mistakes or not. Okay, I have made some mistake. Call to undefined function is set. Okay, I have written 3s, there will be 2s. Nice mistake. Okay, unidentified array key get value. Okay, it will be name. Sorry. Now let's check the page again. It says the same thing. Sorry. Now let's check 12 and 4a submit, and if I refresh my database, it is updated, as you can see. Okay, we can do the same for the rest also. If I write 67 and enter the value as BBBB and submit, here my table is updated. So that's how we can update values in database using PHP and MySQL functions. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.